Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you all? All good?
Yeah.
Okay. So have you guys gone through week 6? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
So today we are going to have a doubt session for week 6. So we will be going activity wise. Fine? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start with activity 6.1. Anyone having any doubts in 6.1?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay then. Then in 6.2?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What's your doubt?
Wait a minute. Ma'am, first three questions, ma'am.
First three questions. Okay. Okay, so the first question is let xy following a uniform distribution D, where D is this, choose the correct option. Okay, so it is saying that my x and y is following a uniform distribution with D as a support. Okay, so where D is actually what? 0, comma 2 into 2, comma 4, correct? So basically, this is what? This is my x. Huh?
Yes.
If you make the graph here, this is my x and this is my y. So my x is going from 0 to 2, okay, and my y is going from 2 to 4, right? So let's suppose this is 2 to 4. So this is my graph. Fine? Is the graph clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Basically, this thing is actually my x and this thing is actually my y. So my x is going from 0 to 2 and my y is going from 2 to 4. Fine? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Should
Okay.
should I find the area of it?
So what do we, huh? What?
Should I find the area of it? The given shaded region. This thing.
Yeah, so we need to find out this areas, right? We need to find out the probabilities. Okay, so we need to find out the PDF. So actually, we need to find out this area. Okay, so if you remember this, my PDF would be what? 1 upon the mod of D, correct? First of all, you need to find out the joint distribution, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and my joint distribution would be what? 1 divided by mod of D. And what is mod of D? Mod of D is actually my area, correct? Area of this region. So what is my area?
4.
4, ma'am.
It will be this is 2 and this is 2. So it will be 1 by 2 rectangle, right? Okay. So it will be length into width. 2 into 2, which is 4. So my fxy will be actually 1 by 4. Okay. Now, if I have the fxy, can I find out fx? Can I find out fx? From the joint distribution, can I find out marginal distribution?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
How? By integrating with respect to
X, ma'am.
Y, right?
y.
Y.
And yeah, so my y is going from
2 to
2 to 4.
2 to 4. And the PDF is actually 1 by 4
1
into
by 4
dy.
dy.
So this will be what? Y upon 4. It will go from 2 to 4. So this is 4 minus 2 divided by 2, which is basically, sorry, 4 divided by 4. Okay. So this is actually 1 by 2. Fine? Yes
yeah.
or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Okay. Now, this is the first question. So first question is clear to Deshan, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Now another question. Question second. So my xy is uniform and D is actually my 0, comma 1, 1, comma 2, union 1, comma 2 into 0, comma 1, union 2, comma 3 into 0, comma 2. Okay. So now you tell me how to make this figure. Okay.
X from 0 to 1.
X is going from 0 to 1 and my
1.
y is going from 1 to 2.
1 to 2.
So this is 1 and this is 2. So this is actually this figure. Now, next one. It is going from 1 to 2
1 to 2.
and
0 to 1.
0 to 1. Basically this figure. Then 2 to 3 and 0 to 2. So this figure. Right? Figure is clear? These are my figures.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now can you find out? Just take your time. So I need to find out. Okay. First of all, what will be my joint PDF? Area of this
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Okay. Area of this plus this thing. Correct? 1 upon mod of D, and where my mod of D is actually what? The area of the first triangle, this is the first rectangle, second rectangle, and third rectangle. So can you tell me for the area of the first rectangle?
1.
1.
It is 1 plus, what is the area of the second
1.
rectangle?
1.
1.
1. And for the third?
2.
2. 2. 2.
2. 1 into half. Okay, yeah, it's 2. So in total we have 1 plus 4, right? So this is actually what? 1 by 4. Now, what is my fx? Basically,
Integration with respect to Y.
integration with respect to y. So my y is okay. So my y will be going from 2. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Just give me a second. Okay then. So where were we? Okay, now we need to find out the marginal PDF of X. Okay, how will you find out?
Ma'am, one for 1 to 2
Yeah.
for dy,
One.
then next one
Uh-huh.
for 0 to 1, and third one for 0 to 2. Then according to the limits, we can plus it.
1 to 2. Okay. So basically, my Y is going from. So my Y is okay. So I can take it as from 0 to 2, right? It's union, right? 1 to 2, 0 to 1, and 0 to 2. So all of the union. So my Y is going from 0 to 2, correct? Can I take it like that? That's true.
Is it okay in that way, ma'am? Because in the first figure there is a gap between 0 and 1. Can we do like that?
In the first figure, we have a gap. Okay, if you're taking it separately as well, so you would be taking the area of the first one, right? Then you will be taking the area of the second one. So you can see here as well, right? Here it is going from 0 to 2.
If we take it all together, then it will be included the area below the first figure and above the second figure. That whole
Hmm.
portion will come, right? Otherwise,
Yeah, but we are taking, actually the thing is the okay, so we are taking the integration from,
If it is union, we can take 0 to
take
2.
0 to 2. Yeah, that is what. See, here we are considering the union. If you look at here. So my Y is going from 1 to 2, then 0 to 1, and 0 to 2. So in short, my Y, the range of Y is going from 0 to 2.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Sim huh,
Fxy will be 3 by 8.
for what?
Fxy, like if x I got 1 by 2, fy it is 3 by 4. So x and y are independent. So can we do that multiplication half into 3 by 4?
Okay, can you come once again? No? Can you say it once again?
Okay, fxy we need to find, right?
Ha.
Uh, so here x and y are independent.
X and Y are independent. Okay.
So fxy equal to fx into fy.
So for that, you need to find out Fx and Fy, no?
Yes, that's what I did. Fx is 1 by 2, as you get the same, I guess.
X is 1/2. But I'm
Fx is 1
having
by
just a second. Just give me a second. I'm actually having a doubt. So if you're including the 0 to 10. Hmm.
Ma'am, are you calculating for f of x or f of y?
We are calculating for f of x.
Then f of x, if we are calculating, then the limit, what will be our range of x? Is it 0 from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 3, or from 0 to 1 and 1 to 3?
Sorry, what?
As in the question, right? Fx, marginal of x is given for 2, right? 0 to 2, where x belongs to 0 to 2, and when
Mm-hmm.
x belongs to 2 to 3,
Yeah.
right? If we calculate by your method, then it will be half and half. But in the option, it is not given as half and half. It is given by 1 by 4 or 1 by 2
1 by
something.
2. That is right. So it
Then
will
how
be
will we
1.
get 1 by 4? Like the whole
We are
union,
taking.
because of here we are taking as union, we'll get half, the portion will be half and half, right?
Hmm.
If we logically think by the diagram, we can shift it and it will be half and half. But how will it be in, as in the answer, it is given 1 by 4 and half. How is it, ma'am?
Zero to two. If you see here. Okay. So, okay. Yeah, let's jump into the next question. I need time for this. Okay. Mhm. Just give me like, let's jump into the next question and we will I'll just come back to that to this question once again. Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay, fine.
And
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Then next question. What was the next question?
Question number
Question
3.
1 and 2. Question number 3. So my fxy is actually 1 by 4. Then x is going from 0 to y by 2. And my y is going from 0 to 4. Find the marginal density of y. So this in this you would be integrating with respect to x, right? So my x is going from 0 to y by 2. My PDF is 1 by 4 dx. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Yeah. So can you solve it and let me know if you are getting the answer? What answer are you getting?
Can't we do the double integration here?
Why?
Oh, sorry, you just find fy. Okay, okay, okay.
Hmm.
Ma'am, y by 8.
Okay. Everybody is getting y by you.
Yes, ma'am. Bye bye.
So this will be y by Okay. Okay. Y by E. Now, next question is marginal density of X. It will be from 0 to 4, 1 by 4 into dy, correct? Marginal density of X.
1.
It is 1, ma'am.
Just a second. Marginal density.
1 minus x by 2.
How did you get 1 minus x by 2, by the way?
Yes, ma'am, it's 1 minus x by 2.
So it should be 1 minus 6 by 2. You are saying that, correct?
Good evening, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am. Ma'am, I joined 20 to 25 minutes late. Can you please tell, are you taking the doubts or you are continuously solving one by one questions? Sorry.
I'm just taking the doubts.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Can you please
So
tell on which activity and which question you are?
6.2 question 4.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So basically in y, okay. So in y we are taking the integration from 0 to y by 2 because that's the limit for x. Okay. Now for the y limit, if you see here, my uh here in the x also y is included, right? So I can see that my x is less than y by 2. So I can say that my 2x is less than y. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. And my y is also going from 0 to 4. So can I take it as from 2x to 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my y limits are actually from 2x to 4. So this is 1 by 4 dy. Okay. So now this will be what? 4 minus 2x
Ma'am,
by
could
2.
you please
4.
explain that 2x
Huh?
is less than y equal to less than 4?
Huh? What?
Could you please explain the limit part once again? 2x, y, and 4.
See, here my x limits are from 0 to y by 2. Correct?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Huh? Okay. Now, my y is limit from 0 to 4. Yes or
Yes.
no? Okay. Now, I need to find out the limits of y, correct? So in this x limits also y is already included, correct? So I can say that my if my x is less than y by 2, so 2x is also less than y.
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
got this one thing that my y is less than 2x, correct? So can I say that my y is going from 2x to 4?
Okay, in place of 0, we have taken 2x.
Huh,
Okay.
correct? Okay. So this will be what? 2x to 4, which is 4 minus 2x by 4, which is actually what? 1 minus x by 2. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
tell me the limits of x?
0 to 4.
0 to 4, sure.
Then
See, my x limits are going from 0 to y by 2. Okay. Now, and my
Yeah,
limits
0 to
of y is
2.
going from, so it will be 0 to 2. Okay. Yes or no? Yes or no?
could you please repeat it?
Which the limit, this thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, here, my limits of x is going from 0 to y by 2 and my y is going from 0 to 4, correct? If I put the value of y 0, so it will be what? 0 only. This is the upper limit, right? This is the upper limit. So my y is actually, if I put the value of y as 4, I will be getting what?
2. Yeah, sorry, 1.
Huh? 2, right? 4 by 2. Fine.
मैम ये y है या 4 है?
Which one? This one.
ये जो आपने किया ना 0 की वैल्यू x की वैल्यू 0 से 2 तो ये y की तरह लग रहा है।
ये तो 2 है ना?
इससे जस्ट ऊपर।
हाँ, वो तो हमारा 0 to y by 2 है ना?
अच्छा ओके मैम।
ठीक है, फाइन.
ओके
Okay.
So from the support of x, we are taking the value, giving the value of y and
हाँ,
taking s, right? Yeah.
हाँ, हाँ, correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay then. Then we did this question. Now, that's it. From 1 to 4, you told me, right? Yes or no? From 1 to 4, you told me, right? That's it. Is station here? Okay, let's move forward then. Okay, anyone having any doubts into? Okay, so 6.2 is fine. No doubts? Is it yes or no? Nothing? Okay. For what about 6.3?
Yes, ma'am, I have doubt.
Okay. Which question?
Question third.
Question third.
Ma'am, question number 4 as well.
For which one?
Question number 4 as well, ma'am.
Okay, for this 6.3 only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so my x and y following uniform D1 and D is actually x plus y less than 1, minus x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. Are x and y independent? Okay, so what is the case when x and y are independent? When my joint PDF is actually equal to the product of marginal PDF of x into marginal PDF of y, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell me the fxy, the joint PDF?
E to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
power minus x plus y.
E to the power. Okay, so let's find out first the figure. So x and
Ma'am,
x
you are
plus
doing
y.
question third, na?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. It is x plus y less than 1.
Yes, not e to the power minus x plus y.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I told question number 4.
So that's why first I will make the figure now. So it's like, so this is my x plus y1. Okay. So now my fxy would be what? 1 upon mod of d, which is actually what? My d is actually 1 by 2 into 1 into 1, which is 1 by 2, correct? So my fxy will be what? 2, where my x is going from 0 to 1 and my y is going from 0 to 1 minus x, correct? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, okay. So now we will find out the marginal PDF of x. So it will be what? Integrating with respect to y, correct?
Yes.
मैम एक बार ये जीरो सॉरी y की लिमिट 0 से 1 माइनस x इसे थोड़ा सा बता दो ये कैसे हुआ
अगर तुम्हारा x प्लस वाई मान के चलो तुम्हारा इक्वल्स टू 1 है, ठीक है? तो y की वैल्यू, अच्छा इक्वल्स टू नहीं, लेस देन 1 है, तो मेरे y की वैल्यू क्या है? 1 माइनस x से कम है,
ओके मैम
ठीक है? तुम वैसे भी ले सकते हो, x का भी ले सकते हो, तो x की वैल्यू भी 1 माइनस y ले सकते हैं, कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, ठीक है?
ओके मैम
ओके, सो इन केस ऑफ x हमारा लिमिट्स what will be my limits? My limits would be what? 0 to 1 minus x 2 into dy, correct? Yes or no?
यस मैम
Yes.
Okay. And similarly for fy, we will be taking from 0 to 1 minus y 2 into dx, correct? So if you find out this will be what? 2 into 1 minus x, and this will be 2 into 1 minus y, right? Now, this is 1 by 2. So if you multiply this is actually what? 4 into 1 minus x into 1 minus y, which is not equal to 1 by 2, correct? Sorry, 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So are they independent?
Ma'am, where it is
No.
written in the question that it is 2
Huh? What it is 2?
x of fxy, the joint one.
You have to calculate, no?
But ma'am, the values are not defined. It is just said that x plus y less than 1 and x greater than 0, y greater than 0.
Huh. So if this is the region that you have been given and you need to find out the joint PDF, how do you find out?
By applying area of triangle.
1 upon mod of D, correct? This is the one, 1 upon mod of D. Yes or no?
Yes.
Huh? And what is D? D is actually my area of this figure, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Okay.
And can you please once zoom out the screen so that I can take screenshot?
For the activity question, you don't have any solutions?
No, ma'am. No, so not any solution. Mm,
Fine. Shall I proceed?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now what is question 4? Let the joint video and these prove the correct one. So my fxy is actually e raised to the power minus x plus y, x is being greater than 0, now greater than 0. Choose the correct option. Okay. So first of all, what is my f of x? It will be 0 to infinite e raised to the power minus x plus y dy, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So this will be e raised to the power minus x
Times e to the power minus y.
e raised to the power minus y
0 to
0
infinity.
to infinite. So this is actually coming out to be e raised to the power minus x only, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And f of y will be what? Same. I think it
Same.
should be e raised to the power minus y only.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I look at it, if I multiply both of this, what I'm getting? E raised to the power minus x plus y only.
Yes, ma'am.
So I can say that my f of x, y is actually equal to the marginal
Fx to
product
y.
of marginal PDF.
Yes, ma'am.
So they are independent also, that means, correct? Now, what else? We need to find out probability of x less than 2. And probability of x is less than 2. So this is actually going from 0 to 2 e raised to the power minus x dx. So this will be what? E raised to the power minus x 1 minus 1, 0 to 2. This will be e raised to the power minus 2 plus 1. Sorry, this is minus.
Minus a.
So this will be 1 minus e raised to the power minus 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम अगर x का पूछा है तो e raised to power minus x only आएगा, y नहीं आएगा.
No, because we are only taking x, right? Yes or no?
क्या बोले मैम, पता नहीं, सुना ही नहीं.
Because we are asking about probability of x less than 2. तो मैं
तो मैम
x का
ये
ही
वाई दोनों जॉइंट मतलब वो एडिशन में दे रखा तो वाई को हम ऐसे रिमूव कर सकते हैं क्या सिंपली?
एडिशन में दे रखा नहीं, मैंने यहाँ पे मार्जिनल पीडीएफ निकाला, ये मेरा मार्जिनल पीडीएफ है मेरे पास x का,
अच्छा,
जैसे
ओके मैम,
है ना,
ओके,
तब तो मैं निकाल सकती हूँ ना।
यस मैम।
ओके, फिर नेक्स्ट आता है प्रोबेबिलिटी x लेस देन y। कैन आई फाइंड आउट दिस?
Yes, ma'am.
So my if probability of x is less than y, I can take it as either x is less than y. So I can take it as it will be joint period, right? So my joint period is this. Okay. So what are the limits that you are guys taking? Let's suppose my
Ma'am, how it will be joint PDF?
because both of the values are included, na, x and y.
So
Or
when
I
we
can
are
take it as
finding,
probability of x minus y less than 0. I can take it like this
okay,
also, right?
okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I guess that is why I was not getting the correct answer. I was just taking from 0 to y only one integral.
Ah,
Okay,
so
okay.
let's suppose my okay. So I am taking it as that my y. Okay. So I have two limits, right? My x is greater than 0 and my y is greater than 0. Now I am taking it as my
X less than y.
x is greater than 0. You can take it like that. I am taking it as x is greater than 0 and y is going
Greater
from
than x.
x to infinite. Okay. I'm taking it like that. So this will be what? 0 to infinite, x to infinite, e raised to the
Ma'am,
power minus x plus y.
0
D,
to y or x to
hmm?
infinite.
You can take it. Okay, let's take it like that. So let's suppose you are taking for the x. X is okay. So this is 0 to infinite and it is 0 to
Y.
y e raised to the power minus x plus y dx into dy. Correct? So this
Yes.
will be 0 to infinite e raised to the power minus y minus e raised to the power minus x 0 to y dy 0 to infinite e raised to the power minus y, and this will be minus e raised to the power minus y plus 1 dy. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So this can be the 0 to infinite e raised to the power minus y minus e raised to the power minus 2y. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now if I integrate it, so it will be what? This is actually e raised to the power
E.
minus y 0 to infinite minus e raised to the power minus 2y divided by minus 2 0 to infinite. Can you calculate this and tell me the value that you are getting? What is the value that you are getting?
One minus half, ma'am.
It will be, is the answer to my answer? Yeah. X is less than y is to fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Mhm.
I actually have a doubt in the integration part of
Okay.
e to the power minus x. Like we
E to the
have the
power
integration, yeah, e to,
e to the
e
power
power e to the power
mm,
minus x.
mm.
Integration will be minus of e to the power minus x, right?
Okay. Okay. So for the integration thing, for integrating e raised to the power minus this, okay,
X,
with respect to x, it will be e raised to the power minus x divided by minus 1. So basically, if
right.
let's suppose in general term, if I say this is minus a of x, okay, so this will be what? E raised to the power minus a of x divided by minus x. right? So if it's like e raised to the power minus x, if I'm integrating this, so this will be e raised to the power minus x upon, okay, in place of a is basically what? Minus 1. So this will be minus 1. That's why I just put
Uh,
minus here. Okay.
yeah, ma'am. But when we put the limit as 0, since it is from 0 to infinity or 0 to y, anything,
Hmm.
if
Hmm.
when we put 0 in place of x, then
It will be 1.
e to the uh, e to the power minus 0, it will be 1. But the
Huh.
denominator, which is minus 1, how is it getting converted to plus 1?
Actually, 0 is the lower limit, na? So minus minus 1 equals plus 1.
Sorry, minus 1, how?
See,
Actually, 0 is the lower limit, I guess.
so e raised to the power minus y. This is the thing, like 0 to infinite.
Right, 0
So,
is the lower limit.
so this will be e raised
Okay.
to the power minus infinite minus of e raised to the
Minus of,
power minus of 0. Okay?
yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay, Bhumi, you have a doubt?
I just right now asked
That's
you.
it. Okay. That's it. Okay. From 6.3, that was the thing. That's
Ma'am,
it.
question 6, please.
Let us
From
combine.
6.3.
So I guess this is the same question, right?
Ma'am, I have no idea to read such question and how to solve. There are 3 to 4 questions of this format. Please do one question.
Right. Okay, can I come back to this question because this question is the same. Like I had a doubt in 6.2 as well. There is one in 6.1, I guess. There is one more question like this. So I will come back to this at last. Okay, I just have to look into it more clearly. Okay, yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please do it because I was the one who got
By like
late.
today only I will do it. Just I need some time. Okay, to
Oh,
think
no
about it.
problem, ma'am.
Okay,
I will
put the
ask it.
limits. Okay. Okay. From 6.3, that's it. And from 6.4.
Ma'am, question third and fourth, if it is.
Third and fourth. Let us say my uniform graduates is greater than 9. Let us say from 0 to 1. Choose the correct option. So first of all, we need to find out the text for these actually yes, everything. The answers.
Ma'am, which question is this?
This is question number third.
Okay, ma'am.
So we need to find the correct definition. So this will be x of y and this f of x. Okay. Now the thing is, first we need to find out f of x a. Okay. Can you find out the marginal distribution of f of x?
Ma'am, what equation where I in this I have to take? Can you please first tell that?
Okay. First of all, you need to find out the f of x is greater than 1 0 to 1. And y is 1 x is greater than 0 to 1 and y is greater than 0. First of all, I need to find out f of x of y. Okay. Can you tell me f of x of y? First of all, this is my figure, right? So this will be 3x greater than y. This is y and this is x. My x is going from 0 to 1 and my y is greater than 0. Correct? Yes. Fine.
And 2 by 3.
That is 2 by 3. So here my limits of y is actually going from 0 to 2x. Okay. Yes. Okay, so first of all, I need to find out the d. Okay, what will be my d here?
मैम ये डी वाला कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है थोड़ा बता दो.
D वाला concept. Yesterday का session attend किया था? If you attended the session, I'm just asking. No?
मैम सुनाई नहीं दिया.
Okay. So the main thing is, if you need to find out, there is one thing. Okay, let me just give me a. So let's suppose, agar if you have one, like you have two variables x and y, and it is following some uniform distribution with d as the region. Okay. So D is suppose like D is following some region. Then if you need to find out the joint PDF, then how will you find out? It is basically 1 upon the mod of D, where D is actually my area. Okay,
Yes ma'am.
got it?
Yes.
Okay, so that is the same thing. So okay, if I see here, my D is actually what? 3x greater than y, and my limits of x is going from 0 to 1, and my y is greater than 0. So basically, I can write it as from 0 to 3x because my y is greater than 3x. That means the values of y, the upper limit of y is actually till 3x. Yes or no? Okay. So now I need to find out probability of y given x equals to a, right? So now if I see here, my X and Y is following a uniform distribution. So Y given X equals to A will also form a uniform distribution. Yes or no? So if I put the value of X as A, if I put the values of X equals to A, I can see that my limit of Y is going from 0 to 3A, correct?
Correct,
Yes? Yes, okay. So that means I can say that my Y given X equals to A is also following a uniform distribution with limits from 0 to 3A.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And similarly, I can say that my what is the next thing? X given. So X given Y equals to B. What will it be? So my if I can see that my 3x is less than is greater than y, so I can say that my x is greater than y by 3. So I put the values of y. If I put the value of y, which is b, so it will be b by 3. So I can say that my limit of y is going from b by 3 to 1. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So this will be what? Uniform b by 3 to 1. Correct. That's it. Actually, we need to find only the uniform. We don't need to find out any conditional thing. That's why. Okay, that was my mistake. So actually, we need to find out this thing only. Okay, this question is fine.
Yes, ma'am. I was taking U as something
Huh.
like union, or I was not understanding the question that time. Thank you, ma'am.
Where is B? This is the only thing that is given, no?
Ma'am, I look at the option first and I got confused.
Okay, then. That's it. From 6.4, it's fine.
Ma'am, question 4 is also that last question is 6.4.
मैम ये डाउट सेशन है ना, दिन में नहीं लेते हो क्या आप?
No.
अभी क्या है कि मैम जैसे 6 बजे है ना, तो 6 बजे लाइब्रेरी का आने का टाइम हो जाता है, तो फिर बीच में टाइम नहीं मिलता है, तो
So you can see the recorded question, no? If you want. Do you have any doubts? First of all, is it here? Okay. So 6.4 is okay. Question number 4, right? So my x and y is following a uniform distribution where my b is going from 0 to 2 and 2 to 4. Choose the correct option from the following. Y given x equals to 1, x given y equals to b. Okay. So now we will become 0. It's simple, right? So it is given that my x comma y is following a uniform b where my b is actually what? 0 to 2 into 2 to 4. Okay, so this is actually the limits of x and this is actually my limits of y. So I need to find out probability that y given x equals to a, right? So a in the sense, so this will be what? It will be uniform with what will be my limits here? My limits, it will be same as the limits of
Same as the limit of x.
y. It will be the same as limits of y, right? So it will be going from 2 to 4 only, right? Yes?
Because it is y conditional, x is equal to.
Okay. So in this, my a will be going from what? From 0 to 2.
I'm not getting this. As you said, y condition x equal a, and then you say uniform in 2 to 4. Uh, why, ma'am? Is because it is the range of y. As in
Which one? This
question.
one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's the range of y, right? It will be going from 2 to 4.
but the condition apply on x equal a.
Hmm.
So doesn't it affect? Okay, ma'am. No. Okay, got it.
Hmm. Got it?
Okay.
Similarly, if
Yes.
you find out probability of x given y equals to b, it will be what? Uniform,
0 to 2.
and with the condition that my b will be from 2 to 4,
Yeah.
right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Hmm.
Ma'am, if in condition we are given y comma x and x comma y, and then ask it is uniform in which?
Uniform in which?
Ma'am, can I ask my question again?
Uh-huh.
Like, ma'am, it is given as probability of y equal 3, condition x equal 1, let's suppose. Then how we are gonna write it's uniform between which range?
So then in that time you will be calculating the values, right? So it is probability of x given y equals to, let's suppose it is basically what? F of x of y, x comma p, right? Divided by f of x p, correct? So first you will find out the joint PDF. Then you will find out the marginal thing. Then you will put the values of y there and find out the value. Got the point?
No, ma'am, it is again the conditional. My doubt is if x equal 1 and y equal 3, there is comma between them, not condition.
X plus 1 equals 3.
Yes. And it is asked it is uniform in which area? Will it be applicable, or it is?
It won't be applicable, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so all the activities are done.
Yes.
Okay. So there are no issues in the activity question. What about the practice assignment?
Ma'am, can you take tutorial doubts?
Tutorial. Okay. Let's see which question,
Question third.
which
No.
tutorial. One.
Week 6 tutorial 1.
One. Okay. Question number third.
Right, ma'am.
A manufacturer has bought two machines. Let X and Y demand the time to failure of machine A and machine B. This for failure to join because of X and Y failure. Find the probability that machine A will last more than B. Um, the failure of machine X is given. Find the machine A will last more than B. Actually, we need to find a probability that my X is greater than Y, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's the same thing, na? That like what we did here. Where is it? One question was there.
Ma'am, but
This
my
question.
excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, my doubt is if x is greater than y, then a should long last for more time, and then a should work more good. Na here b should have more failures time.
Hmm. So
But the probability which is asked to us in the question, it is like machine A will last more than machine B. If x greater than A, then time of failure of machine A should be greater, na? My doubt is both these things are similar or it is contrasting.
so my X is actually the failure of machine A and Y is actually the failure of machine B, correct? They're asking that machine A will last more than machine B.
Then machine B would last more. Both these statements are contrasting to each other.
That's what I'm saying. More than machine B. It is written in the brackets, right? The failure time of machine A is more than machine B. Okay, actually, you are saying that
Ma'am,
if
my
the
doubt
failure
is
time of Hmm, hmm.
what do you mean by will last more? This two words will last more than. इससे क्या मतलब है कि वो ज्यादा समय तक चलनी चाहिए, ज्यादा फेलियर का टाइम प्रोड्यूस होना चाहिए, या लंबे समय तक बिना फेलियर प्रोड्यूस किए चले वो मशीन, लॉन्ग लास्ट मोर. माय डाउट इज जस्ट दिस लाइन.
Failure time is actually what? The failure time is till what time? After that time, it will fail, right? So they're asking the probability that machine A will last more than machine B in the sense that the failure time of machine A. See, what do you mean by failure time? Failure time in the sense that, like at some point, like after some point, it will start to fail, right? It will start to fail, like a manufacturing thing, correct? That is my failure time. Yes or no? So they are asking that find the probability that my machine A will last more than machine B in the sense if my that machine A will last more in the sense my failure time will be more than machine B. Yes or no? समझ आ रहा है?
बट मैम मेरा एक मतलब इसमें डाउट है, मतलब फेलियर ज्यादा होगा तो मतलब लास्ट कैसे करेगी?
फेलियर टाइम होता है हमारा कि फेलियर टाइम हमारा एक्चुअली वो होता है कि मतलब जब हम अगर वो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर रहा है उसके स्टार्ट से एक टाइम तक वो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करता जा रहा है फिर एक टाइम के बाद वो फेल होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है ठीक है तो वो होता है हमारा फेलियर टाइम तो जितना ज्यादा हमारा फेलियर टाइम होगा इन द सेंस अगर मान के चलो हमारा 30 मिनट्स बाद मेरा मशीन ए का फेलियर टाइम है और 15 मिनट्स बाद मेरा मशीन बी का फेलियर टाइम है तो इन द सेंस आई कैन से दैट माई मशीन ए हैज वर्कड मोर देन मशीन बी यस और नो
ओके
समझ
ओके।
आ रहा है हाँ
हाँ हाँ,
फेलियर
थोड़ा
टाइम होता
मतलब
है
हाँ हाँ बोलिए।
हाँ फेलियर टाइम होता है हमारा जो हम जिस टाइम के बाद वो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करना बंद कर देता है इन द सेंस फेल
ओके
होता है ऑपरेशन वो होता है हमारा फेलियर टाइम ओके सो इफ आई एम आस्किंग दैट कि व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट माय मशीन ए विल लास्ट मोर देन मशीन बी इन द सेंस कि फेलियर टाइम ऑफ मशीन ए शुड बी मोर देन मशीन बी यस और नो
यस यस।
है ना अगर मशीन ए का फेलियर टाइम बहुत ज्यादा है मशीन बी से दैट मीन्स माय मशीन ए इज वर्किंग मोर देन मशीन बी
यस
या
मतलब उसका रिवर्स वाला पार्ट मतलब ज्यादा वर्क करेगा इसलिए वो कम लस्ट कर रहा है, ऐसा है ना?
हाँ
ओके
हाँ
ओके।
that's it from tutorial from practice assignment any questions No questions? If there are no questions, at least say yes or no. Anything. There are no questions. Should I end the meet then? Okay. Okay. So let's end.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have doubts. I'm saying, but maybe my mic was not working. The voice was not reaching to you. Can I ask?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, I have doubts in both tutorials and practice assignment. What should I ask first?
Tutorial. Okay, let's go with the tutorial.
Ma'am, question number 15 and 16. It is the part of one big question. The data is given under before question number 11 in week
Tutorial
6,
1.
tutorial 1.
So let us now join the 15 question. What is preventative expense? So you have given, okay, so they have given the you need to find out the probability of it. Probability of x minus 1 means square 1 means square is 0.025. So it is actually a circle, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
It is a circle, correct?
Yes.
I need to find out probability of x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square less than 0.25. It is actually what? The equation of a circle in which my center is basically what? 1 comma 1 and my radius is r square, which is equal to 0.5. So if I need to find out the probability, this is what actually. This is actually mod of A divided by mod of D. This is how you find out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So what is D actually? This is actually the period, right? So according to the question, they have been given us the period, which is 1 upon 4. Yeah. And what is my A? E is actually the area of a circle. What is the area of a circle? Pi r square, which is pi into 0.25, right? So if you put this value here, it will be what? Pi into 0.25 divided by 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
This will be pi by 16. Fine. Is the question clear or no?
Yes, ma'am. Now clear.
Now it's clear?
Yes.
Yeah, this method is actually, you know this method, right? If, let's suppose, if I have been given the figure that my x is going from 0 to 2 and my y is going from 0 to 2, this is actually the figure. So in that figure, I have a circle. So I need to find out this area. So if I need to find out this area, so how will I find out? Mod of A divided by mod of D only. Yeah. So this is the method that I have used. Fine.
Fine, ma'am. Ma'am, question number 16 to is it this similar or it is quite different maybe?
Probability. Yeah, it is similar only. We have the, it is the same equation of
the circle with the center 0, comma 1, right? And we have the radius. Same thing you have to do it.
Ma'am, then the answer should be same. Nah, it should be pi by 16. But when I check, it was pi by 32. Because the radius is same, just the coordinates got changed. First it was 1 comma 1 and now it is 0 comma 1.
So it is actually 1, comma 1. If it is, okay. Yeah. So if you make the figure, okay, let's suppose 0, this is 1, right? So my center is this, right? So my figure is like this, correct? But I need only this area, right? So this will be what? The half of area of a circle?
Okay, ma'am. I did not focus on the range at that time. Just took the
See,
complete
in
circle.
that, yeah, in this thing, my center is 1, comma 1. That is, let's suppose this is my 1 and this is 1. So this is my circle, correct? So this circle is inside this rectangle. So this will be the whole area. But right now my center is 0, comma 1. So this is my center and this is my circle. So, but this part is outside my rectangle and only this thing is inside my rectangle. So I need to find out this area only, right? The half of the circle. Got the point?
Got it, ma'am.
Hmm.
बट मैम मेरा एक छोटा सा डाउट है मतलब टोटल एरिया और उसका मतलब क्या बोलते हैं छोटा सा पार्ट और उसका होल पार्ट मतलब उसको बोथ आर डिवाइड करने से मतलब क्या मतलब मिलता क्या है मतलब आता क्या है मतलब किसका वैल्यू आता है मतलब कौन सा ए का वैल्यू आता है
ए का पूछ लो, ए क्या होता है?
नहीं ये तो मतलब होल मतलब उस छोटा सा सर्किल है राइट और
हाँ,
और जो लाइन का ना मतलब जो ग्राफ का है वो मतलब होल पार्ट है तो मतलब उसका उसका मतलब करने से मतलब डिवाइड करने से मतलब आता है मतलब कौन सा पार्ट आता है
ये वाला।
हाँ
अभी जैसे हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, हमें ये रीजन फाइंड आउट करना है ना। तो
नहीं
उसका
मतलब
हमारे
मेरे
पास
को मतलब फाइंड आउट में कोई गलती नहीं है मैं कह रहा था मतलब वो जो छोटा सा सर्किल है लाइक वो मतलब एक हटा दीजिए मतलब छोटा सा सर्किल है वो और मतलब होल पार्ट उसको मतलब बोथ को डिवाइड करने से मतलब क्या मिलता है मतलब आता क्या है वही कह रहा था
पीरियड। हमें प्रोबेबिलिटीज फाइंड आउट करना है ना, तो
मतलब
प्रोबेबिलिटी आता है।
किसका मतलब उस सर्किल मतलब उस रेंज में आने का प्रोबेबिलिटी है
हाँ, ये हमारा प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है कि एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई माइनस 1 का होल स्क्वायर इज लेस देन 0.25। इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? दैट इज एरिया डिवाइडेड बाय टी। ठीक है।
ओके
दैट्स अच्छा।
ठीक है मैम
साक्षी, इट्स डन।
Yes, ma'am. Done in tutorial 1.
ओके, नेक्स्ट। एनीथिंग एल्स साक्षी?
Ma'am, from the tutorial 2, I have
ओके,
doubts.
ओके।
In question number 7, tutorial 2
The
question
random
7.
variable x and y being formally distributed in polynomial integral is bounded by integrated by. So we want to find x of y given x equals to 1. So actually, now Okay. So my lower limit of x is actually from 0 and my upper limit is actually 2, right? Um, uh, uniformly distributed or the example type equals to 0, x is to 1, and x equals to 2. Okay. So if I put equals to 2, so I can say that if x is equals to 2, this is x is equals to this is x equals to 2. Fine. Okay. Now, first of all, I need to find out the PDF. So my PDF would be what? 1 by 2 into 2 into 1, which is 1 only. So this is my PDF of f of x of I. Then I need to find out f of x, sorry, f of y given x equals to 1, right? So this will be what? F of x of y given 1 comma y divided by f of x equals to 1, correct? Now, first of all, you need to find out the marginal distribution of x. This will be what? Integrating with respect to y? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So for this, what will be the limits of y?
Ma'am, it is not defined in question.
It is
Just
not from the figure, you can say it. Huh? So my y is going from 0 to x by 2.
by that we can.
You can say that. So this will be 0 to x by 2, 1 into dy. So this will be what? X by 2 only. So what is my f of x of 1? It will be 1 by 2.
Yes.
So now what is my f of y given x equals to 1? This will be 1 divided by 1 by 2, which is 2. Fine. Answer is
Yes,
2,
ma'am.
right?
Ma'am, the above you take one y. The f of y comma f of 1 comma y.
Huh. So what is my f of x of y? It is actually 1, na? So this is my f of x 1 comma y only, right? There are no variables. X and y are not there. So where I'll able to put the values of 1 and y? So it is actually 1 only, right? Got the point. Let's suppose if my f of x of y is actually x plus 1 by 2. Let's suppose. Okay. And now it is written f of x of y 1 comma y. So this will be what? 1 plus 1 by 2. I will be putting the values of x here, right? But in this case, I don't have any variables. I don't have any x and I don't have any y. So I won't be putting the values of x and y here, correct? Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Like you just put as it is complete because there are no
Huh.
range of y
No,
is given.
no values of x and y are there because f of x does not include the variables of x and y. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Got it. Ma'am,
Okay.
please can you zoom out this complete screen along with diagram? Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Got the screenshot.
Okay. Next. Next question.
Ma'am, week 6 tutorial 2 doubt is done. Can I ask from practice assignment?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, just 1 minute. Ma'am, question number 2. It is kind of a 6.3 similar question. Just help me with
Plus
the
y
one.
less than 4 x is greater than 0. Greater than 0 from the probability. No? Okay. So if I make the figure of x plus y is less than 4. Okay. This is the figure of x plus y less than 4. Correct? Now you need to find a probability that my 2x plus y is greater than 2. That means you need to find out,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, while shading and choosing the reason as you take x plus y less than 4, how do you decide? Can you please once x plus y less than 4? If it is toward the, the origin or away from origin, how do you decide that?
can you repeat once again? What's your doubt?
Ma'am, the way you shade the reason, if it comes x less than y, x greater than y, and x plus y less than 4, x plus y 1, and anything else, how do you decide to shade that part of inequality given?
Okay, so in this question, if it's saying that my x plus y is less than 4, so the first thing is you make the figure of x plus y equals to 4. Okay. After that, you see that my x plus y is less than 4. That means I will be having this region, this one, the whole region. This is my x plus y less than 4. It is less than 4, right? Fine. This thing is clear?
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no? Okay. Now, the second thing is, now the second thing is I have this equation 2x plus y is equals to 2. If you put this value, you will be getting kind of this equation where my uh, y is 2 and my x is 1, right? So it is 2x plus y greater than 2. We need to find out greater than 2. That means we need to find out which region? This region? Yes or no?
Oh, okay, ma'am. Like the complete area you are taking 2x
हाँ,
plus y, and then
2x
above.
plus y. हाँ, ठीक है. Now, how will you find out this? This is actually what? The same thing, mod of A divided by mod of D. Okay, so
Yes.
first of all, what is my D? It is actually the whole area, which is 1 by 2 into 4 into 4, which is equals to 8. So my f of x of y is actually what? 1 by 8. Now, what is my A here? A is actually, okay, let's suppose, okay, I need to find out probability of 2x plus y greater than 2, correct? That means I need to find out this. So I cannot find out the area of this part, right? The shaded region, because how will you find it? So the main thing is I can find it by 1 minus probability of 2x plus y less than equal to 2. That means if I found out the area of this region and subtract it from 1, I will get the yellow part.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Now, this
Ma'am,
thing is
can't
actually
we do bigger triangle minus smaller triangle?
bigger triangle minus smaller triangle. Which bigger triangle, smaller triangle?
Like the one big complete triangle of x plus y equal 4, and then minus 2x plus y equal to both these triangle. It will give us the green shaded region area.
That means 8 minus. What is the region? The same thing, no? So my area, okay. So the main thing, this area is actually what? The area of 2x plus y greater than 2, correct? The yellow region. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, same thing. So if you find out this area, according to you, my area is actually what? 8 minus 1 only?
Yes.
8 is the area of D, right? And 1 is the area of the purple part, correct?
Yes.
So 8 minus 1 is 7. So now the probability that my 2x plus y greater than 2 is actually what? 7 by 8 only?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer is 7 by 8? Huh? 7 by 8. You can do it like this also. You can do it like this way, and you can also do it like this way also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Yeah.
Ma'am, please zoom out the screen for this too.
I guess you will be getting the solution for the practice assignment. Practice assignment solutions are there, I guess, in the supplementary content.
Yes, ma'am, but the concept will be from the doubt sessions. Ma'am, this last question number 8 from the practice assignment.
Question number. Para 5, 6, 7. So I need to find out this area, right? This is the figure. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now I need to find out whether my x and y are independent. How do you find out? First of all, you need to find out f of x of y, which is actually what? It is the
1 by mod D. We 1 by area
2
of this.
into 2, which is 2 into 2, which is 4. Correct? Sorry, this is the D.
Ma'am,
So
here
this
it
will be
should
what?
be 1 by
1
4
by 4.
or
Ah,
4. Okay,
okay,
okay.
1 by 4. Now, what is my f of x of marginal distribution of x? It will be, I will be integrating it with respect to y. So my y is going from 2 to 4. So this will be 2 to 4, 1 by 4 d of y, which is 4 by 2, 1 by 2. Correct? And similarly, f of y, it will be 3 to 5, 1 by 4 d of y, which is 1 by 2 as well. So if you multiply this, I'm getting 1 by 4. So my f of x of y is actually equal to f of x into f of y. Correct? So they are independent. Yes. Fine?
Fine, ma'am.
That's it?
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, okay then. Anything else? Okay. So shall we end the meet now then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Okay, fine. Good night,
Thank you so
everyone.
much.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Good night, ma'am. Bye.
Goodbye.
हेलो हेलो यार